One minute, you're on a weekend adventure. The next, you're lost, the weather turns, and survival is your only option. Do you have the right gear? In 2025, survival isn't just about skills. It's about having the right game-changing gadgets. You won't believe it exists. Solar Fire Starter. Imagine being lost in the woods as the sun begins to set. The temperature drops and you desperately need a fire. That's where the Solar Fire Starter comes in. With a simple lens design, it harnesses the sun's energy to create a powerful beam capable of igniting dry leaves or kindling in seconds. No need for lighters or matches, just sunlight and the right angle. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in a survival situation, this gadget ensures you'll never be without fire again. Water purifying straw. Picture yourself stranded near a murky pond, parched and desperate for a drink. The water looks suspicious, filled with debris and who knows what kind of bacteria. Enter the water purifying straw. This small but mighty device filters out harmful parasites and bacteria, allowing you to safely drink from nearly any freshwater source. Just dip it in, sip, and stay hydrated. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or in an emergency situation, this straw could mean the difference between dehydration and survival. Self-charging, hand crank, flashlight. It's pitch dark. Your phone is dead, your flashlight's batteries are drained, and panic starts creeping in. But then you remember your hand crank flashlight. With just a few quick turns of the crank, the device generates its own power, instantly illuminating your surroundings. No more hunting for batteries or worrying about power outages. Whether you're out in the wild or facing an unexpected blackout, this flashlight guarantees you'll never be left in the dark again. Multi-tool, survival shovel. Imagine digging a fire pit, chopping wood, and opening a bottle, all with a single tool. The multi-tool survival shovel is more than just a shovel. It's a rugged, all-in-one device with a saw, axe, fire starter, and even a wrench built into its sturdy design. Whether you're building shelter, clearing a path, or fending off danger, this tool is the Swiss Army knife of survival gear. Compact yet powerful, it ensures you're prepared for any challenge the wild throws your way. Tactical pen with glass breaker. A pen might not seem like much, but in the right hands, it can be a lifesaver. Imagine being trapped in a car after an accident, windows jammed shut. This tactical pen features a reinforced glass breaker that can shatter windows instantly, offering a quick escape. It also serves as a self-defense tool and, of course, a reliable writing instrument. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's the one tool you never realize you need until you do. Solar-powered phone charger. You're on a hiking trip, miles away from civilization when your phone dies. No GPS, no way to call for help. Luckily, you've packed a solar-powered phone charger. Just unfold the sleek panels, place them in direct sunlight, and watch your device come back to life. Whether you're lost in the mountains or experiencing a power outage, this charger ensures you stay connected. Because in an emergency, a working phone can be the difference between getting rescued and staying stranded. Compact first aid kit. A slip on a rocky trail, a deep cut, or an unexpected allergic reaction. Anything can happen outdoors. That's why a compact first aid kit is a must. Packed with antiseptic wipes, bandages, tweezers, and emergency meds, this little pouch is like carrying a mini hospital in your backpack. When disaster strikes, every second counts, and having medical supplies on hand can prevent a minor injury from becoming a major problem. Survival isn't just about adventure, it's about preparation. Paracord Survival Bracelet. It may look like just another accessory, but this bracelet is a hidden survival toolkit. Unravel it, and you get several feet of ultra-strong paracord, perfect for building shelter, securing gear, or even fishing. It also features a mini compass, whistle, and fire starter. Everything you need for unexpected emergencies. Imagine being lost in the woods. A simple wristband could help you navigate, call for help, and start a fire. Talk about a game changer. Emergency sleeping bag. The temperature plummets and you start shivering uncontrollably. Hypothermia is a real danger. That's when you pull out your emergency sleeping bag, small enough to fit in your palm, but designed to reflect 90% of your body heat. It cocoons you in warmth, shielding you from the cold. Whether you're camping in the mountains or stuck in a car during a snowstorm, this bag is a lifesaver. A night in the wild won't seem so daunting when you're wrapped up in safety. portable mini stove. Hunger strikes after a long hike, and all you have is raw food. The portable mini stove comes to the rescue. Compact yet powerful, this stove allows you to boil water, cook meals, and even heat up canned goods with ease. Lightweight and foldable, it fits into any backpack. With a reliable fuel source, it ensures you won't go hungry in the wild. Whether camping or in an emergency, having hot food and clean water could be a game changer. Bear spray defense. You're hiking through a dense forest when suddenly you hear rustling in the bushes. A massive grizzly bear steps out onto the trail. Your heart races, and you reach for your bear spray. With one firm press, a powerful cloud of deterrent is released, forcing the bear to retreat. Bear spray is a non-lethal yet highly effective way to protect yourself in the wilderness. It's a must-have for anyone venturing into bear country, providing peace of mind and safety. Credit card multi-tool. It's the size of a credit card, but don't let that fool you. This pocket-sized powerhouse packs a knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, and more. Imagine being in a tight situation where you need to cut, screw, or open something, and all you have is your wallet. With the credit card multi-tool, you're always prepared. Whether fixing gear, opening cans, or even making small repairs on the go, this tool is an absolute must-have for survivalists and adventurers alike. LED headlamp with motion sensor. When night falls and you need both hands free, an LED headlamp becomes your best friend. Whether you're setting up camp, hiking in the dark, or repairing gear, this headlamp automatically turns on when it detects motion. No more fumbling with buttons or wasting battery life. Waterproof and rechargeable, it's designed for long-lasting performance. In a survival situation, light is life, and this gadget ensures you're never left in the dark. GPS tracker beacon. Imagine hiking through a dense forest when you realize you've lost your way. Panic starts to set in, but then you remember your GPS tracker beacon. With a simple push of a button, it sends out an emergency signal, pinpointing your exact location. Even in areas with no cell service, this device ensures rescuers can find you. Whether you're an adventurer, camper, or just someone who loves exploring, this small gadget could be the key to bringing you home safely. Survival fishing kit. You're out in the wild, your food supply is gone, and hunger starts gnawing at your stomach. Then you remember the survival fishing kit tucked in your pack. Compact and lightweight, it contains everything you need: hooks, line, lures, and even a small net. With a little patience, you pull a fresh catch from the water. Whether stranded near a river or just wanting a backup food source, this kit ensures you won't go hungry in an emergency. Titanium spork. A fork, spoon, and knife, all in one. It might sound simple, but the titanium spork is a game changer. Imagine sitting around a campfire with hot soup or a warm meal, but having nothing to eat with. That's where this lightweight, ultra-durable tool comes in. Unlike plastic utensils, it won't break, and it's heat-resistant. Plus, being titanium, it's practically indestructible. Perfect for campers, hikers, and survivalists who like to travel light without sacrificing convenience. Solar-powered lighter. Matches get wet, lighters run out of fuel, but a solar-powered lighter? It works every time. Using focused solar energy, this gadget ignites tinder in seconds, ensuring you can always start a fire. Imagine being caught in a rainstorm. As soon as the sun comes out, you can generate a flame. Reliable, windproof, and fuel-free, this eco-friendly gadget is a must-have for anyone who relies on fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling for help. Heat-reflective survival blanket. A sudden temperature drop can be deadly in the wild. That's why a heat-reflective survival blanket is essential. Imagine being stranded overnight without proper gear, the cold creeping in, your body shivering uncontrollably. This lightweight yet powerful blanket reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protected. It also doubles as a makeshift shelter or emergency signal. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to save your life. Ultra lightweight hammock. Sleeping on the ground can be uncomfortable and dangerous. That's where an ultra lightweight hammock comes in handy. Imagine setting up camp after a long day of hiking and being able to relax above the damp forest floor. No more worrying about bugs, snakes, or wet ground. Compact and easy to set up. This hammock provides a comfortable sleeping alternative, making every outdoor experience safer and more enjoyable. Survival. Axe with fire starter. A single tool that can chop wood, hammer nails, and start a fire. That's the survival axe with a fire starter. Imagine setting up camp and needing firewood. You don't have to struggle with a small knife. This rugged tool does it all. With a sturdy blade for chopping and a magnesium fire starter built into the handle, it's an all-in-one solution. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, this axe is a must-have for any survival kit. Pocket chainsaw. A fallen tree blocks your path and you need firewood, but carrying a full-size saw isn't practical. Enter the pocket chainsaw. This compact tool fits in your pocket, but can cut through thick branches and logs with ease. With sturdy handles and razor-sharp teeth, it turns manual effort into quick results. Whether building a shelter or gathering wood for a fire, this portable saw is an essential tool for survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Emergency whistle. When you're lost or in danger, your voice can only carry so far. An emergency whistle, however, produces a high-pitched sound that travels much farther, alerting rescuers to your location. Imagine being injured on a remote trail. One blast from this whistle could mean the difference between being found or staying stranded. Lightweight yet powerful, it's a simple but life-saving tool that no adventurer should go without. Inflatable solar lantern. Night falls and you need light, but your flashlight batteries are dead. That's where an inflatable solar lantern saves the day. Compact and waterproof, it charges during the day and provides hours of bright LED illumination at night. Whether you're setting up camp or navigating after dark, this lightweight and eco-friendly gadget ensures you always have a reliable light source without the need for batteries. Personal water desalination. Kit. You're stranded at sea or near a saltwater source with no fresh water in sight. Drinking seawater is dangerous, but with a personal water desalination kit, you can turn salty ocean water into drinkable water. Imagine being on a life raft, thirsty and desperate. With this gadget, survival is possible. It's a breakthrough tool that could mean the difference between life and death in extreme conditions. Self-heating jacket. And finally, the ultimate survival gadget, the self-heating jacket. Imagine being caught in a snowstorm with no way to start a fire. Instead of freezing, you press a button and your jacket warms up instantly. With built-in thermal technology, it keeps you toasty in even the harshest environments. Whether you're an Arctic explorer or just preparing for extreme weather, this jacket is a game changer in survival technology. Which one do you think is the coolest? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic survival gear videos. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.